Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check your PayPal account limits. All right, let's begin. To start, open your web browser, navigate to paypal.com, and log in securely using your registered email address and account password. If prompted, complete the security verification step by entering the temporary numeric code sent to your mobile device or email. Once you land on your main dashboard layout, get to the top navigation bar and click on the Help link to access the official Help Center interface. Because PayPal's updated interface no longer displays caps directly inside your Profile tab, click the search bar within the Help Center and type in View Limits. The resulting articles will outline your specific transactional cap parameters. Generally, fully verified profiles support individual transactions up to $10,000, with potential limits extending to $60,000 depending on your regional currency. To check your explicit current threshold in real time, navigate to the standard payment transmission page. An unverified profile will trigger a localized system banner displaying your exact remaining monthly allowance. So that's basically how you can check your PayPal account limits. That's it for this video. Thanks!